So we are also looking at how to maintain the Polariscope. If you are using the Polariscope, you should be able to maintain the Polariscope so that it doesn't break down so easily. Now, one of the things to do is to use soft tissue to clean the viewing area. And then also, you shouldn't put scratchy substances on the viewing area, because once the scratches is off, it doesn't allow you to view the kind of quality of product you should have. Also, we should prevent the accumulation of dust on the Polariscope, because once dust is accumulated on the surfaces, it shows the kind of quality you are supposed to observe with on the preform or on the product. Also, we shouldn't press hard on the viewing area, because once you press the viewing area, this is glass in nature and then it breaks down. When it breaks, it destroys the whole Polariscope. You won't be able to observe the preform effects that you are supposed to have. Additionally, this is stored in a temperature of 24 to 35 degrees Celsius, and then a humidity range of 35 to 94%. You're welcome once again to Science Network, and this is the end of our episode. Thank you.